To myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is a problem analyzed of the smart home automation towards secure and then unusable communication based authorization. Our project abstract is the IoT of the Internet of Things and Artificial Intelligence AI has led to the rising popularized of the smart home automation SAH auto smart automation home automation process used to the variety of the interconnected smart device to provide to the life enhancing service such as to the smart energy controller, smart entertainment and smart healthcare, and then so then on. If these devices are the comparised sensitive data may be the disclosed and then comparison devices. Another connected to the device may to the maliciously controller and then safety of the home occupied. Therefore, is controlling access device into the SH auto of the paro asset importance. However, due to the characters of the SH auto environment, this became to the challenging issue. As the first step towards to the addressing these challenges issue, these paper providing the for the problem analyzed in that smart automation problem. The problem analyzed consists two parts. First part is the in depth of the communication. Another one is based on the lead to the formulation of the generalist model for the smart automation model. Based on that model, the second part analyzes potential vulnerabilities and threat is the reliance of the risk identification process. The comparative problem analysis led to that assess can be controlled to the covering device communication and specification of the set of requirement for the designs of the secure and usable communication based on the access control solution for the smart automation environment. Our project flow structure. First we can start with the data set wise and then tool is the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool. So first we can load to the data set, that is a smart home appliance data set. After to the pre-processing. Pre-processing means we can checking to that missing values and label encoding and normalization method. After that we can split to that 80% of training and 20% of testing process. Next one we can applying to that machine learning algorithm and deep learning algorithm. We have trained the model, we have improved to the accuracy for the 90 above and predict to that model. So for example we have entered to the washing machine, that is a IoT device means yes, so how much risk will be occurred and then policy will be showing. So these are the prediction for the smart automation control part. Our project execution based on the data set. So these are the data, totally 5403 data for the smart appliance for the product. So what are that we have taken to the light, camera, after to that security system. So these are the part and then energy consumption. So we have considering to the part. So first we can read to the data. After that we have spread to the x and y process, the pre-processing apply. We can train the model. We get that 93 above percentage of the accuracy. We get the 94, and testing part is that we can get to the 92.69. I think as a 93 percentage of the accuracy testing part. So next one is that we have entered to the appliance. The camera is controlling for the IoT device. So next one we can move on to the streamlined process. We can enter to that any appliance name. So it automatically compiled to the model. So it getting to the 100 percentage of epochs. It's trained and then we have predict to the data. So once it's completed to the 100 percentage means, so we get the 91.68. These appliance washing machine IoT controlled by yes. The risking score is 0 to 10 means it's based on the 6.0. And estimated authentication usable score means 7.4. Yeah, the washing machines are almost using the, so ensure to the update for the secure communication policy. So we have find out to the risk value. I think is 7.4 na. So these are the 7.4 will be plotted. So we can enter to the light. So again is trained to the model and predict to the appliance part. If the appliance are not for the IoT control and estimated weight part. Thank you.